There are some new things you can do with AutoCAD 2025, and one of those new things is the new hatch command. So that's what we're gonna do today in this video. So we're gonna take the hatch command right here. So now we can choose select objects, draw, and then we can hatch figures like this that are unclosed by selecting the points, which creates a boundary for our new hatch like this. C, enter, and then we can hatch like this. Now there's something else you can also do with the new hatch command. So we hatch, and then here we select mode, and we choose path, and then we create this path, and as you can see, it hatches from the center and a chosen width. You can change those settings here, so you can choose width. I had chosen 50, so we're gonna set it to 100. You can also choose alignment. So now we're going to choose outside. I'm gonna delete this one and create a new one. And now we're gonna draw the path. So as you can see, it now hatches the inside of the figure that I chose right now. What you can also do with the new hatch command, select a path with arcs. So we choose hatch, select objects, draw. So point 1, point 2, now we're gonna choose arc. Gonna choose arc again. Now line. And then you can hatch like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope it was informative for you. If you want to help me out, then you can click subscribe or like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.